I'm Shalini V, working as Assistant Professor of Physics. I'm going to discuss the topic for the BSc first semester, session 16. The topic of the section 16 is illustrative examples for the law of conservation of angular momentum in case of a figure skating and planetary motion. Before going for the session, what are the prerequisites means moment of inertia, angular momentum, torque, law of conservation of angular momentum. So first, what is a moment of inertia? It is the product of the mass of the body and square of the radius of gyration. So the radius of gyration is nothing but the distance of the point from the axis of rotation where the whole mass of the body is assumed to be concentrated. Then angular momentum is given by L is equal to I omega, which is nothing but the product of moment of inertia of the body about an axis of rotation and the angular velocity of the body. Then torque of acting on a body is the product of moment of inertia of the body about an axis and the angular acceleration. Then statement for the law of conservation of angular momentum. The law states that if no external torque be applied to a body, then the total angular momentum of the rotating body about an axis remains constant. So that is the product of I into omega is equal to constant in absence of an external force. That is in absence of an external torque. So if I increases, omega must decrease to keep the total angular momentum constant. Or for the conservation of angular momentum, if omega increases, I must decrease to keep the total angular momentum constant. So then we shall take the illustrative examples for the law of conservation of angular momentum. First example is figure skating. So what is a figure skating? It is a sports in which individuals or pairs or groups perform on figure skates on ice. So they perform fast spins by stretching and folding their arms and legs. First, the figure skater will stretch out his or her arms and either leg to increase the moment of inertia, so has to have a low angular speed. So to start with, the figure skater must have a low angular speed. To have a low angular speed, what he should do means he has to stretch both his arms and either leg to have a low moment of that is to have a larger moment of inertia, so has to have a low angular speed. If he or she stretches both the arms or either leg, what happens? The radius of gyration will increase. So that means k will be more. In this case, if k is more means the moment of inertia will be larger. If k, that is the moment of inertia is larger means to keep the total angular momentum constant, omega must be small. So to have a low angular speed initially, the figure skater must stretch out her arms and either leg to have the low angular speed. Next, to increase the speed or to have a larger angular velocity and to rotate faster, figure skater, what he will do is he will bring his both the arms closer to his body as shown in figure. And so that means to have a larger angular velocity and rotate faster, the figure skater will bring both the arms and legs closer to his body. So in this case, what happens? The k value will be very small. If k is small means the moment of inertia will decrease. So according to the law of conservation of angular momentum, if I decreases, omega must increase to keep the total angular momentum constant. So thus to have the larger angular velocity and rotate faster, what the figure skater will do means he will bring both his arms closer to his body and also both the legs closer to his body. So this is the illustration of the law of conservation of angular momentum in case of a figure skater. Next, we shall consider the next example of planetary motion. So here we know that planets have an elliptical orbit around the sun. So this is the figure in which the planet moves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. The angular velocity of the planet increases when it comes close to the sun and decreases as it moves away from the sun. So as the planet approaches closer to the sun, the distance of the planet from the sun, that is the k value, decreases, and hence the angular velocity increases according to the law of conservation of angular momentum. And as the planet moves away from the sun, what happens? The distance of the planet k, that is the k value, increases, and hence the angular velocity decreases. So this is the law of conservation of angular momentum. So all this material I have collected from the books Properties of Matter by D.S. Mathur, Unified Physics Volume 1 by Dr. Asal Gupta and Sanjeev Gupta, and Mechanics by D.S. Mathur. Thank you.